First, go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Select a line. Make a line here with 44 millimeters. Another line here with 3.75 millimeters. Another line here with 6 millimeters. Make this sketch here. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 5.75 millimeters. The distance between this point here and this point is 10 millimeters. The distance between this point and this line here is 7.75 millimeters. And the distance between this point here and this line is 10.5 millimeters. Sorry, 10.5. And the distance of this line here is 27 millimeters. Okay, finish the sketch and go to Revolve. The axis is this line here. The profile is the sketch. Operation new body, press OK. Now go to create again. Select the front plane. Select the circle. Make a circle here with 6.5 millimeters. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between this circle and the midpoint here is 9 millimeters. Go to constraints, horizontal, vertical, select the circle in the midpoint here. Okay, finish the sketch and go to Extrude. The operation is cut, the extend all, and direction symmetric. Press OK. We have this. Now go to create a sketch, select this face here. Go to project. Select this edge here, okay, this edge here, and press OK. We can hide this body. Select a circle, click here, make a circle with 10 millimeters. And select line, construction line, make a construction line from this point to this point here. And make another line here from this point to the edge of the circle here. The angle between this line and this line here is 10 degrees. Go to mirror, object, this line, and the mirror line, this line here. Press OK. Finish the sketch. We have this. Show the body. Go to fillet. Select this edge here. Fillet 0.25 millimeters. Forget this. And now go to Extrude. Select this profile here. Cut this minus 8.5 millimeters. Operation cut. Press OK. We have this. Okay. Go to fillet again. Select this edge here, this edge here, and this edge. The fillet here is 0.25 millimeters. And press OK. Now go to create and select pattern, circular pattern. The object type is the features, and the object, the fillet and the cut that we made, okay? The axis, select this edge here. The quantity is 11. And distribution full, press OK. We have this, okay? Now go to fillet. Select this edge here, and this edge, the fillet 0.25 millimeters. And press OK. We have this. Now go to this body, create a component from this body here. Okay. Rename this. We call pilot. Okay. And now go to assemble, new component. The name will be drill shaft. The parent here is this unsafe here. Okay, the first component here, and select activate, press OK. Now we can hide the pilot, okay? Go to create, select the front plane, select the circle, click here, Make a circle with 7 millimeters of diameter. And finish the sketch. Go to Extrude. Select this profile here. Sorry. Go to Extrude. This profile, the distance here is 67.5 millimeters. Operation new body, press OK. Now go to create and select this face here. Select rectangle, center rectangle, make a rectangle here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance of this line here is 6.5 millimeters. Press OK. And go to constraint, select equal, select this line here, and make a circle here with 7 millimeters of diameter. OK. Finish the sketch, go to Extrude. The profile is this profile here. The outside of the square, OK. The start offset minus 55 millimeters. The direction symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance 11.5 millimeters. Operation cut, press OK. We'll make this, OK. Now go to create and select the top plane. Select line, construction line, make a construction line here. That's OK. Go to create and select ellipse. Make an ellipse here. Remove the construction type, OK. Go to sketch dimension. The distance of the ellipse is 10 millimeters. And the radius here, and this distance, sorry, is 12.5 millimeters. Okay. And the distance between this point of the ellipse and this edge here is 83.5 millimeters. Press OK. And finish the sketch. Go to Extrude. Select this profile here. The direction symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance 2.5 millimeters. Operation join, press OK. We have this. Go to Fillet, select this edge here, this edge, and this edge here, here. The fillet here is 2 millimeters. Press OK. We have this, OK. Now go to create and select the right plane here. Go to create, select project, include project. Select the body, select this point here. Select 2-point rectangle, make a rectangle here with 0.5 by 0.2 millimeters. The distance between this rectangle and this line here is 0.5 millimeters. Make the same in the other side. 0.5 by 0.2 millimeters. And the distance between this point and this line here is 0.5. And make this horizontal vertical. This point. Finish the sketch. Go to Extrude. Select this profile here and this profile. Operation cut. Distance all. Direction symmetric. And press OK. Now go to Retangular Pattern. Then select the feature. The object is this cut here. And the axis, you can select this edge here, okay, no problem. You can move here. The quantity here will be 15. press OK. We have this. Okay. Now show the pilot. Active this component here. You can move this. Let me hide this origin here. Go to joint, select this profile here, and select this point here. We can flip this, okay, and press OK. And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and bye bye.